Guys, it's another video from Chris. Hopefully you aren't sick of them yet, as I'll be releasing a few more this week to give you insight into the precautions that we're taking at Alpine Maids. So I'd like to touch on our experience in the cleaning management of illness. Through our work with Cleaning for a Reason, we've been cleaning for the immunocompromised for almost 5 years now and have a lot of experience in keeping them safe. The precautions that we're all taking worldwide right now are precautions that these clients of ours have been used to for years. And our cleaning services have been helping them this whole time. How are we applying this to your home? Beginning Monday, we will be donning gloves and booties before entering your house. Our cleaners will be leaving all non-essential clothing in their vehicle and only carrying their supplies into your home. All of the personal protective equipment we are using is medical grade, things like gloves and masks. And we're happy to wear surgical masks in your home at your request. In addition, we're quickly working on moving to remote solo cleaners and expect to have this implemented 1 week from now. This increases our social distancing and ensures that each cleaner only has contact with 3 homes per day max, if not just 1 or 2. And then lastly are our products. We've always believed in non-toxic green products. Under normal circumstances, our cleaning methods have helped tremendously in ridding homes from any illness-causing microbes. Given our current situation, we've stepped up our methods and now are offering sanitizing cleaner at no extra cost. So be on the lookout this week for more videos showing you just how far we're going over here at Alpine Maids to keep you and your home safe as we try to disinfect Denver one home at a time.